Let's learn with. Because what is this? Let's learn with fun. Okay, now what is this? Let's learn with fun. We discuss about this so many things for toddler. So, do you know me? I am your friend. Okay? Hi. I am monkey. I live in a jungle with my friend. So we are known as the wild animal. Hi, meet my friend. So tell me, Pabi, my big and strong friend, who it is? Elephant. One my friend have a black and white strip. Zebra. Very good. I have one very long neck friend. Who it is? Giraffe. Long neck. Okay. And my friend have a brown color like chocolate. Bear. Okay, you know antlers? My friend have a antlers. Who it is? Reindeer. Okay. You are intelligent? My friend which is very intelligent. Who it is? Fox. Okay. One my friend and famous for its hole. Ooh, like this wolf. Who it is? Wolf. Howling like ooh, communicate with other friends. Okay, so it's always howling like this. Ooh. My friend run fast. Who it is? Cheetah. My one friend has a strong and a flexible body. Who it is? Tiger. Okay. Its strip is also on its body. Okay. It is tiger. One my friend is a famous for king of jungles. Known as a king of jungle. Who it is? Lion. Who it is? Lion. We don't know about lion. Lion is the king of jungle. But we give the all